Hi, this is Sinu Joseph from Youth for Seva. Youth for Seva is a forum that connects hundreds of volunteers to government schools, orphanages and NGOs. Often volunteers encounter children who have a lot of talent, but they come from backgrounds where the possibility of a brighter future seem pretty dim, be it due to lack of resources, lack of encouragement, or simply because a vegetable vendor's child doesn't dream of anything beyond owning his own pushcart, or a laborer's child doesn't even think of anything beyond becoming a mason. That is how Sponsor a Child came into being, to enable children to dream. Sponsor a Child is so much more than just another sponsorship program. It has a unique thinking, a novel idea, a rarely seen way of functioning, and a truly genuine effort by so many individuals. Sponsor a Child is run largely by volunteers with no compromise on quality. Since we are volunteers by choice, we thoroughly enjoy what we do, and that also means that we give it our very best. This automatically brings in the professionalism. Beneficiaries are selected by volunteers, partner NGOs and other bona fide references. Beneficiaries are categorized into students from government schools, students from government aided schools and also students from tribal areas. Other requests for sponsorships are processed on a first come first served basis, subject to fund availability. Donors also have the option of selecting a child of their choice from the existing list of shortlisted children. An orientation program is conducted for volunteers who act as apartment and company coordinators so that they understand the right way of functioning. Although we accept donations throughout the year, it is in the month of February that volunteers kickstart the donor enrollment drive by setting up Sponsor a Child kiosks in their premises. We realized that rather than spending a big amount of money on campaigns and publicity material, we could use the internet and still have the same or better impact. Thanks to hundreds of people like you, we managed to rope in more donors. Today at Youth for Seva, we are happy to announce that 90% of the funds received reach the needy child directly to help them get a brighter future. Every July, children and their parents are asked to visit the office and furnish the required documents and receive the sponsorship amount. In August, tuition centers run by specially trained teachers take off to enhance the learning ability of students from government schools. Monthly refresher trainings are also held for the teachers to equip them with the latest in teaching technology, which in turn are transferred to students from the tuition centers. Personality development programs and sports events are held for the intellectual and physical growth of the child. It is in the month of November that we send out newsletters to donors, volunteers and well-wishers, which has the detailed report of our activities and the audited financial statement of the preceding year. The annual event, Donor Child Meet, held in the month of December, is an occasion for the children and donors to meet and interact. When Sponsor a Child program was started in June 2009, 325 children were enrolled in this program. Over 850 children look at brighter futures thanks to the 500 plus donors. Thousands of children are still waiting, but if each one of us take responsibility for at least one child, it would be a formidable step towards an achievable goal. Listen to your heart and stop not. Please do spread the message. Talk to your family and friends. Every bit surely helps. Join hands to give children the future they deserve.